Hi there, let's see how to make mango kadhi. Ingredients required are 1 cup yogurt or dahi, half cup mango pulp, 1 tablespoon besan or chickpea flour, 1 tablespoon powdered jaggery, 2 to 3 finely chopped green chilies, half teaspoon finely chopped ginger, 1 dry red chili, few curry leaves, half teaspoon turmeric powder, salt, 1 tablespoon oil and some water. In a bowl, add yogurt, mango pulp, chickpea flour or besan, turmeric powder, 2.5 teaspoon salt or as required. Then add 1.5 or 2 cups water and mix everything together. Mix everything together with a hand blender or a spoon. In a pan, heat 1 tablespoon oil on medium heat. When oil is slightly hot, add mustard seeds, and after the mustard seeds have crackled, add cumin seeds. When the cumin seeds start to sizzle, add dried red chilies. Then add chopped green chilies, ginger and curry leaves and saute them on low heat for 30 seconds. Then add the mixed yogurt. Cook on low heat, stirring occasionally for 6 to 7 minutes. After 7 minutes, turn off heat and the curry is ready. Enjoy the kadhi with hot steamed rice. Thanks for watching and see you soon with the next recipe. Bye bye.